is the tide coming in. Check it out. See that? Russian water coming up. I mean Canadian water. I'm gonna pause it till it gets closer. Alright, she's getting a bit closer. Get a good zoom. It's kind of still far, not bad. Pause. Alright, now you get to see the real deal. Check that power of that. Fuck, yesterday was really fast and rough. It's like it's getting slower as the days go by. But yesterday was probably the strongest, the way this thing was rolling in. See, check that out. You don't want to be stuck down there. I'm telling you, no fucking way you guys want to be stuck down there. And that mud is like really sticky mud. If you wear boots, you'll definitely get stuck or lose those boots. So there's the Altongas mixing pond there. It's just going to get filled in by all of this, the power of Mother Nature. It's just going to fill that right up, all that muck. And yeah, goodbye.